everyone, welcome to our channel. If you're experiencing issues with sending images or videos on WhatsApp from your iPhone, then here are some steps you can take to resolve this problem. Firstly, ensure that your iPhone is connected to a stable and active Wi-Fi or cellular data network because poor network connection can prevent media from being sent. Or you can simply tap on the airplane mode to activate the Wi-Fi on and off. Now all you have to do is go to the App Store in your mobile device. Now inside the App Store, simply tap on the search address bar and search for the WhatsApp. Now in WhatsApp, make sure that you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed from the App Store. If there is an update icon available right next to it, tap on it to download the latest version. So once you download the latest version of the WhatsApp, simply go to the settings on your mobile device. Then inside settings, scroll down and tap on the general. Then tap on the iPhone storage. Then from listed app, look for the WhatsApp and tap on it. Then simply upload the app and reinstall it. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.